Hello traders, this is Alpha Fibonacci software for Ninja Trader 8 that's showing you time and time again. Simplicity and purity is key to your success. If you understand what's playing out in front of you, you are seeing clearly. Bold green zone is a place to buy. And when you see the bold pink line, it's a problem. Price been stuck here for the last hour. Intelligent trader understands with a single glimpse why this is what plays out and there is nothing else. That's it. This is a picture-perfect example that speculation and trading never pass to success. Ultimate precision is the only path with Alpha Fibonacci precise key rules. So when the market opens up, do not be surprised what price will do next, as price will be stuck between these two levels. This is war zone. Intelligent trader knows this. On every single trade, it's a different target, spelled out by market volatility only. And that's how you trade, obeying what price is giving you, without any speculation, without random targets. So again and again and again, when institutions holding positions, retail trader tested to the core. With the power and precision of the Alpha Fibonacci system, you know extremely well where war zone will be. That's it. You do not speculate, you do not gamble, you using your limitless brain. You are not wasting your brain power on chasing junky indicators. You understand what price is telling you. And when you apply proprietary levels, proprietary rules, proprietary strategies, you understand why this is the only option this morning. That's it. There is nothing else. Thank you, Gary. So when the price keeps testing you to the core, no one is surprised who trades Alpha Fibonacci system. This is the only option. Price been here for the last hour. Price can be stuck in this trading range for the next 8 hours. Key moment in front of you, critical key break wall. This will be war zone next. If this level remains intact, intelligent trader understands. Price always moves one step at a time. Key level, key moment now. I can project software on any chart I choose. Trades play out on different various charts. Software projected on 3-minute chart showing you clearly. Market overextended, reached institutional target projected many months in advance. So if you cannot pass psychological test, if you cannot operate as a sniper, use system long term. In live classes I teach multiple time frames and you make a decision. If day trading is not for you, look at the charts every 15 minutes, every hour, every day, every week, every month, as traders shared in the bootcamp they do. So when price reaches next level, you are reminded how price moves. One step at a time. That's it. And this confirms institutional longs. And this confirms institutions adding to long positions. In the trading room, you're witnessing Alpha Fibonacci system and software, precision live to the tick. And you remember to obey the rules, correct? So if I take you down right now to 1-minute chart, this is where we are, correct? In the course you learned this is critical key target. So if price collapses completely from this level, no one is surprised. But how price bounced from this level is what we discussed with students pre-market. And that's how price moves on every instrument, every time frame, every platform. You make a personal decision. What time frame is appropriate for you, your risk management, and your account. That's it. If I bring to your attention how I teach my traders trade, this is institutional chart. 8-9 figure accounts on this chart. Have you been buying the market from the bottom? Do you understand this is identical level on institutional chart in front of you right now as it is playing out live on S&P mini future retail day trading chart? It's all the same. There is only two things that are different: risk management and trade hold time. Traders jump into day trading because they see profits non-stop. Higher the profits, more effort it requires. You operate as a sniper, not as a trigger-happy cowboy. And if this confirms institutional laws, you remember clearly how to trail and how to trade with ultimate precision in all market conditions. So if I bring to your attention institutional chart, I would like to remind you extremely important event. This is the start of the Middle East crisis. October 23rd, market skyrocketing with vengeance. Did you know that Israel was attacked on Putin's birthday, October 7th? Most of the world does not know that. October 7th is Putin's birthday, was celebrated with Hamas and Iranian leaders in Moscow. There is nothing that's random, all precise. So when I bring to your attention the start of the rally, October 23rd, my goodness, we discuss it with my intelligent traders. This is where institutions waiting to get orders filled. This is where bullish rally had started from. But this was identical level on S&P mini future pre-market to the upside and at the market open to the tick for over an hour. Little retail chart, little money. Little day trading where ultimate precision is critical, crucial. So as you witness price reach next level with precise Alpha Fibonacci chess, you are witnessing, despite catastrophic global events, it's all the same. Institutional profits are spectacular. Have you been shorting markets since the end of October? Or have you been using your limitless brain and riding institutional power? 1,200 points in profit right now. Day trading not for you. Use system long term. Invest, use options, trade forex, trade anything you wish. But remember to obey the rules. And that's what you witness in the trading room to the tick. And that's the reason students who spoke in a bootcamp shared how they trade. Crypto, of course. Stocks, absolutely. Options, of course. Yes and yes and yes. And when George shared in a bootcamp, before he ever pulled the trigger to trade live, he tripled his demo on NASDAQ. That's it. And when traders share time and time again, can you trade crypto and pay cash for your house? Ken has done that. All shared in bootcamp. No speculation, nothing random. On all instruments, all timeframes, all platforms. Identical rules apply. Identical. And if you decide to trade stocks, producing 95% in profits, 30, 53, 59, of course you can. And if you're sending me an email with the kindest words ever, thank you so much. I'm so glad to have found you. So if you've been losing the money non-stop, it's not your fault. Number one, you've been using wrong strategy. So if you're fortunate enough to sign up now for Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp course, I will gladly honor bootcamp recordings so you can see what traders thanked me non-stop for. Non-stop, non-stop, non-stop. That's it. Choice is yours if you want to become an intelligent trader or not. That's it. There is nothing else that's possible this morning. Did we know? Did we know? Of course. But if you decide to trade gold, it's identical event. If you decide to trade Nvidia, it's all the same, as I will gladly share next. Anyone surprised at S&P collapsing from this level? Of course not. In the course you learned that this is critical key target. Price collapses from this target high 80% of the time. So if I bring to your attention gold, inflation, of course, it's not a safe haven. Gold collapsed and skyrocketed from key level, doing exact same thing as S&P. Is Apple safe haven? If you buy in the bottom, yes. If you buy in the top, it's not. Has anyone seen this collapse on Apple coming? Of course we did. We're discussing all of this in the live classes. Did you know where to buy Nvidia at the bottom? Do you know where Nvidia is now? Oops. Do you still think that Amazon is a safe haven? Or do you understand that safe haven lies in you and your limitless brain power? Do you know where to buy the bottom? Do you? Do you understand why euro skyrocketed despite crisis in Europe? My goodness. Are you going to be present for oil news? And do you understand how to trade Bitcoin? Despite war in Ukraine, oil collapsed until it reached the bottom of reversal zone. Oil at identical level where S&P collapsed from right now. It's all the same. And that's the reason students who make an effort, my dearest friends for life. This morning I just heard from Paul, who sent me one of the sweetest emails ever. Your passion for teaching and sharing your skills through your honesty, excitement, determination for excellence. That's it. That's what matters to me. All I do is sprinkle joy every day for the last 30 plus years. I'm very clear on my purpose. Are you clear on yours? That's it. I live and breathe humanity, and I'm obsessed with systems I build. No one else in the world does what I do. All of these proprietary levels You can install on all time frames, all platforms you choose. And that's S&P Mini Future in the live markets with software for NinjaTrader 8. We'd love to see sell-off and crash, and when scanner give you alert, and you understand what it means, enjoy the ride with institutions. If you trade against, you're extremely aggressive trader. That's it. That's simple and that pure. So if you're from Sydney, Las Vegas, or Netherlands, or Denver, or Chicago, or Dubai, or anywhere in the world, we're just receiving a new student from Sierra Leone. Wow, that would be country number 59. New Zealand, Australia, Japan, South Africa, Florida, New Jersey in private mentoring now. From beginner to hedge fund trader. So when you start thinking as a billion-dollar trader, everything changes. Not everyone can pass psychological test. Not everyone capable of technical execution. So if you want the highest profits and you want to become day trader, you'll be amazed how much more work you have to do on your brain, on your technical skills, on your alpha waves. All of that in bootcamp recordings. You can enjoy as part of 4 packages offered on the website. This morning there is nothing else in the markets, only this. So thank you, Gary, so much. It's my joy and honor to be here with you this morning. So if you're ready to become an intelligent trader, I look forward to working with you. If you are signing up for the course during the months of March and April, you will receive a very unexpected gift. 17 additional videos from our annual trading bootcamp, where you will see critical key gems on optimizing your brain power. You will listen to podcast with Theo, legend who came to the bootcamp in the middle of the night in Australia. You will listen to a podcast with George, who had given us all favor, sharing his incredible journey. You will listen to podcast with Richard. All of these traders are legends. They had given a huge favor of stopping by to share their journey, because they all know the power of Alpha Fibonacci Rules. Is anyone surprised what's playing out? Should not be. There is nothing else. Only this is present. So when you obey the rules, the sky's as the limit. Every single day, trading range will change. So obey the rules, make an effort, and the sky's as the limit, as traders have done since 2011 in US and globally, on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. This is the market this morning, before major news, with proprietary rules, proprietary strategies, and ultimate precision. Again and again and again. You decide what you want to trade. Is it Forex? Is it stocks? Is it options? Is it crypto? Is it ETFs? Is it mutual funds? Is it metals? Price is price, exactly the same everywhere. So make an effort. That's all you have to do. And identify what's appropriate for you, your psychological comfort and your financial risk. So please choose the package appropriate for you and understand. Traders from beginner to hedge fund manager trading system on all platforms, all instrumental time frames. In our global communities, friends bringing friends, husbands bringing wives, fathers bringing their children. And if you decide to trade with software for NinjaTrader 8, that option appropriate for you as well. At least 50% of traders do not come to live classes. You can view videos 24/7. So please view students' performance from all over the world and understand. This is my marketing power, my students, their journeys, their success. So if you make an effort like Theo does, you can do this. This is Theo's performance on futures, on Forex. This is Richard's performance on options. This is Georgie's performance on stocks. This is Brad's performance on futures. Choice is yours, what you want to trade. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com, as Price reminding you again and again and again. Simplicity with ultimate precision is ultimate global Alpha Fibonacci power on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. You decide what you want to trade. Choice is yours.